I hope you watched the video on how to draw a venous blood gas using the syringe, the blood gas sampler syringe, and the needle that comes with it. But if a provider orders more than just the venous blood gas and you need other tubes, then it's important that you use a butterfly needle. And probably the most efficient way to do it would be to use a stopcock. So I'm going to show you how to use a stopcock right now. All right, so I have my supplies. The only extra supplies that I would need is the venous blood gas tube, which we have here. And then we also have our butterfly needle. And I've opened some of this stuff up. Our tourniquet, of course, our cleaning supplies, that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna clean my site, identify your patient, wash your hands, all that, but we'll start at the cleaning. For 15 seconds, we're gonna let that dry for 30 seconds because I use ChlorPrep. Then I'm going to take my butterfly needle out. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove this end because this is where I'm gonna put my stopcock. And then I'm gonna hook my stopcock in, maybe, there, into that end. Make sure you get it tight. And there. Then I'm going to remove the needle from the syringe, the blood gas syringe, pull back to the 1 milliliter mark, just like before. Attach my syringe. And then I have my other syringe also for my other labs. So I'm going to attach that to the other end. Now, the first one I want to be drawn is the venous blood gas. So I think we are all set. You see that set up. So the off points at the one the syringe that I do not want it to go to. These little blue arrows tell us that blood would flow that way if we were to get blood. So take off my gauge. And insert the needle. Now, I'm just gonna let this go for now so that I can show you what I'm doing. Okay. Now, normally we would not have to pull back on this, but I am reusing the syringe, which is why I do have to pull, just to conserve supplies. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off to that syringe, and I'm going to draw my other labs. And that's it. So now I can go ahead and remove my butterfly, cover it up. Maybe. There. Oh no, this one's stuck. There we go. Sorry, it's going the wrong way. All right, so now I've got my safety needle. So I take this off. Now, because this is used, I would not have to do this on another one, but I have to get all of this out. Take my black cap. Now, it's probably best to put your black cap on while you get it out because it does work as long as you don't put it too tight. Then you put it tight, invert 8 times. And that's it.